It's Bitty Bob. It's been a while because I've had a lot of personal things to sort out, and apologies, it's taken me a while to sort it out. The room is still in progress, and I thought I'd give you a quick update because I said I would. As you can see, well, we are certainly not where we want to be, but let me show you around. And I will be back hopefully next week now, fully streaming on Friday, and then back to streaming as we were in the week. So yeah, we're on the move. So as you can see, got a lot going on. My cat's trying to get out. There's one behind the cat flap. All of my stuff is still a mess. Some stuff I've unboxed. And we now have a new carpet, which we didn't have. Cat scratch protector. Get all my cables, boxes. These are the IKEA switch, kind of, I don't know what you call them, the pegboards. And these are all going on my head, mounted up. There'll be more than that, but that's kind of the start. Got the new desk installed. Apologies, cable management, we are going to sort that out. And then my other desks wrap around here, and there'll be one more here for 3D printing. This one's going to be like my YouTube videoing desk. You can see it's my older desk where I had all my other stuff on temporarily. You can see the mess it's on with the kitty cat. And the cat's come back in. And anyway, all the other bits, some foam, toolboxes. This is normal stuff, most of it's downstairs still. Cables, more mice and cable boxes. There's a lot of stuff on here. This one's gonna be my modding desk. You can see here I've got this, it's like a frame that sits with my camera on it. We can attach lights and stuff to it. I need to trim it down slightly so it fits under this weird slope. This is because it's in like a loft conversion, but that allows me to mount it to the desk, and I've got full frame. You can see all the cameras on it already mounted. More camera mountings. And then we've got my modding desk, some wine on it, some other bits, more cable. You can see how bad it is. More cables. That's my X monitor desk that I moved around. These legs will be coming off. You can see them under there. Sound storage, 10 gig routers. You can see my legs. These are all coming off, and there'll be cabinets under here. One here, one under there. Maybe I don't think it's going to fit. I'll have to see. That's right. Room, my new chair. Thank you. And then we've got the new desk, which is a two-piece. There's a drawer in there, which is slightly moved. I need to tighten it up a little bit, but I'm kind of in a period of putting it together at the minute. We've got a triple monitor stand now. This 32-inch 4K is going to come out. I'm going to flick it around to a 24-inch, have it vertical. Got my Razer camera, another camera, another camera, another camera, another camera. It's a 3D spinning one. That's one for the mouse pads. Got an iPad, another light. What I did change was I had this Rode mic. For show you on here now. This is now a height adjustable desk, but what we did have was a Rode stand, and I'm using the Elgato low profile. I'm going to try that one. I'm not sure if I like it or not. We've got my shotgun mic, which I'll flick around depending on what I'm doing. Gaming chair, absolutely savaged by cat. Another monitor, some VR stuff. So I'm playing Ghost of Taboo at the minute. We've got my mixer, which is a 1820 Focusrite, and then a K5 Pro on top for my headphones to boost them, because the 250 ohm one needs a little bit more of a kick. VR headset. We've got my Stream Deck here, which you can't see. This is my 27-inch ROG IPS. I've now installed finally the 240Hz OLED. And why I'm filming here is because it's updating the firmware and it's taking forever. And then we've got this 32-inch beast, which, to be fair, needs to match too big. So I'm into a snack. I'm saying keyboard at the minute, mouse. You can see I've done nothing. And what we do have though is my new desk. You see it's slightly raised there, but it's fully height adjustable now. And this is why my cable management's a bit funny. So you got some different modes for setting it. See, it raises up now. Hopefully I've still got the height right. And there we go. Got all the cables there. All this needs to be put in cable trays, and I need to check the tension for the height, which is why I've not done it. Got my streaming PC, which is a 3060 5950, and then my gaming PC, which is a 13900 with a 4090 unit. As you know, this is like my seat position, which is pretty cool. Can stand basically, and streaming stuff. still cleared. This guy's a little bit of a sloping roof, but get the idea. We can put it back down to the normal height, which is sweet. This is Flex Soft, I think it was when you guys recommended it on stream. That's been good. Pretty heavy, that's the only thing. This is solid wood top. I can't remember what wood it is because I ordered it ages ago. You can also manually adjust it. It's been working well. And that's it. So yeah, apologies for not being around. I should be back on next week. I'll be streaming on Friday because I've got all this stuff to move. I've got loads of mice to do at the minute. I know a lot of you are chasing me, so apologies. I've had some problems with Royal Mail, as many of you know. So it's not been ideal. It's starting to get hot up here as well. My air conditioning's not in yet. But yeah, good to see you all. And I'll catch you soon. Goodbye.